Welcome to online class. There is a saying, God helps those who help themselves. The self-help is the best help. So, by this story, we will learn how can we help ourselves and can save our lives. So, let's start the story. The wolf and the lamb. A little lamb along with a flock of sheep went to a grazing area. As the flock was grazing the green grass, the little lamb, which was very mischievous, was wandering here and there. It saw fresh grass in a distance and walked away towards it. It had walked away a long way from its group and was eating the fresh and delicious grass, unaware of the fact that it was being followed by a wolf. When the lamb realized that it had lost its way from its group and had reached a distant place, it decided to go back. However, the lamb was shocked to see a hungry and cunning wolf standing behind it. The lamb realized that there is no option left except to surrender itself to the wolf. The lamb asked to the wolf, "Are you going to eat me?" The wolf said, "Yes, of course." The lamb said again, "But can you please wait for some more time? I have eaten a lot of grass now and my stomach is filled with grass. If you eat me now, you will feel like you are eating grass." The wolf agreed, "Oh yes, I will wait. You are here before me and I can wait for some more time." The lamb thanked the wolf. After some time, the wolf got ready to kill the lamb, but the lamb stopped him again. "Dear wolf, please wait for some more time. The grass is yet to get digested. If you eat me now, you will find a lot of grass in my stomach. Let me dance and the grass in my stomach will get digested easily." Wolf agreed. The little lamb danced crazily and carefully and moved the foot forward towards the group. Suddenly the lamb stopped dancing. Wolf inquired, "What happened? Can you see this bell tied to my neck? Ring it as fast as you can. I will dance to the sound of the bell and the food will digest soon." The wolf wanted to eat the lamb so badly that he agreed to do what the lamb had told him. Meanwhile, shepherd was searching for the little lamb and heard the sound of the bell. He saw the wolf near the lamb. He ran towards wolf with a stick. Seeing the shepherd with a stick, the wolf ran away and the lamb was saved. Moral of the story: physical strength isn't just sufficient. Sometimes weaker people with a smart mind can overcome the physically strong ones. So, my dear students, what did you learn by this story? The physical strength isn't just sufficient. Sometimes the weaker people with a smart mind can overcome a physically strong ones. Thank you.